It's your favorite cousin again, and I'm in the Halloween spirit. Hiya, Huns. The Velveteens are out of town on family business, and as usual, they left me holding the bag. Halloween is coming, so I've been working on my costume, and I've been drinking my wine out of this fun Halloween skull. It glows in the dark. It's also really big, which I like in a wine glass. I've also been doing this fun thing with my easy cheese, where I cut an olive in half and I stick it in the cheese, and it looks like an eyeball. It's really scary. You should try it. So anyway, that's it. Let me know in the comments below what you're wearing and what you're drinking for Halloween. And the Velveteens will be back on Thursday with another Liquored Up live broadcast. But don't worry, I'll see you again real soon.